Loosen the screws securing the proximity switch. Cut the cable ties, unplug the wiring, and remove the self-wrapping cloth. Remove the old proximity switch. Install a new proximity switch 2 mm higher than the nozzle. Wrap the self-wrapping cloth, then plug in the wiring and secure it with a cable tie. The X, Y, Z will level bed after choosing probe Z offset. Notice the proximity sensor indicator will light up 3 times. If the proximity switch doesn't light up or light up less than 3 times, need to replace a new one. Rotate the button to adjust the height of the nozzle. This value should be a negative number. If it is a positive number, it means that the height of the proximity sensor is too high or there is residual filament in the nozzle. Put a piece of paper under the nozzle. Make the nozzle just press the paper. Don't forget to press the knob to save the value.